Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel once again, and in here we'll be doing our weekly analysis of Nifty and swings and many other stuff. So firstly, I'll be taking you through why I have taken these swings, which are from Crystal to Banari Sugar Mills, and above all of these are basically invested profits which are left as invested shares. That we'll have it for another session. Why I do this. What is the strategy behind it? So for the time being, these are the swings which I'm running onto it, and position is this one. This is actually not the exact PNL. The exact PNL close comes to around 1500 because we had just booked close to around 2500 in here, which is a leg of put which we had shifted above. So let's get down to firstly understanding the overall market view, and let's see and understand what is Nifty's 4-hour time frame view, because we are always doing ICs or futures trading in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So in Nifty, literally, I don't see anything in here, to be honest, because there's no resistance on the higher side. In fact, I feel that it is a part of a phase wherein literally it makes no trade or no sense to trade in Nifty. But apart from this, we can actually see Bank Nifty giving us a good signal. So if I just take you in here, I mean, it's not a good signal, I would say, but this is the IC which I've taken, right? The position which you're seeing as of now in here, which is 45700P and 46600C, is basically based upon this and this, right? So post to this, I mean, if this breaks out, I would be accepting my stop loss. To be honest, on Monday, whenever it opens, even if this breaks out, I'll probably be in minor gains, but my target is 9 to 10k or 8 to 10k. You could mention as 8 to 10k, and usually this is my half, I mean, 2 times the quantity. So usually my target turns out to be close to around 16 to 20,000, but due to wicks being low, right, I have to reduce my quantity to this much. So we are trading only half the quantity in here, and hopefully if the market stays between this, I will be updating you further ahead. How did this position go? But so far this is the analysis, and the candles are pretty okayish to me, and I hope that by Monday I'll just exit with around close to 8 to 10k, anywhere between that. So this is the overall idea in BNF, and hopefully let's see how it goes. But if it breaks this, and we will be exiting. Otherwise, if it breaks this, we will be exiting. There is no sort of adjustment which could be done, because this is a very minute zone, I mean a very small zone. So we cannot adjust anything on this basis. And post to this is just a breakout, and it could go probably crazy, given that even Nifty is at all-time highs. And if this breaks down, and we can still not adjust. So this is the overall idea of my IC in here. Now coming back to these swings which we have taken, Crystal, from Crystal to Banari Sugar Mills. So let's go down with each one of them. Crystal is basically, let me just change my chart. So Crystal's analysis stands out to be like this on weekly time frame, because I trade stock on weekly time frames only. And here is it, how it goes basically. So this is a breakout, and it's consolidating way too long. Hopefully that probably by next week or within 2 weeks we can see some movement, and we can book our profits. Our stop losses is basically below this at 3692, and it could go up to anywhere for 1:3. So please remember that 1:3 is usually my target, or 1:2.5 minimum. So that's it, and anything in here is not a buy or sell recommendation. I'm just putting out my views, and these are all my personal trading setups. So please do not try to copy them. You can have something to learn out of it, and nothing apart from them is what I'm suggesting you to do. So advanced enzymes is the next one which I will be showing you. Advanced enzymes. Here's the stock, and here's the view for it, right? This is a good breakout which I felt, and closed pretty good, hoping that within the next 2 weeks I could get my initial targets. So anything in here is 1:2.5 minimum risk to reward, and my stop loss will be below this particular wick in here, which is 298. And then we have Alembic Limited, so let's check that as well. Yep, so you could see this is the setup for it, and we already have this a stop loss in here which is at 75, and our targets is at close to 90. And this is the overall zonal supports and resistance which you could see. Then we have Spandana Spurti, which is kind of giving us a trouble, which you could see. To be honest, my buy price wasn't that good, but I was almost about to exit if the client candle would have closed it in here. But weekly was pretty good closing in here, so I decided not to exit and just wait for another week or two, and mostly we would be exiting with some profits then if everything goes well. Now comes to Bliss GVS. Bliss GVS is this way. You could see clear support, which had basically the resistance which was broken out. Good wick below, and hopefully we'll be getting our 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 2.5 or whatsoever the target would be. I will be giving you a new video every time when I exit or with a stop loss or an target, to give you an in-depth analysis and understanding you with the smaller time frames as well. So you can stay subscribed to the channel or follow me on the links below, and the social handles are right in the description. Now it comes TCI Express, right? So TCI Express. This is the analysis overall. So pretty good, I would say. The good green candle in here, and it tried to bounce back off. And mostly I would be exiting at this particular resistance, and the stop loss would be right below this, support. Next, the final one is Banari Sugar Mills, which is going so far the best for me. Banari Sugar Mills. And when should I be exiting the stock? Here's the one for it. Like, you could see a great wick in here, and this is my stop loss, and this is the target overall. So I just wanted to mention one more thing, that guys, please have enough understanding before you get into a setup, so that you just don't blindly copy anyone, right? You don't have to follow any single person who is just telling you to buy and sell wherever they want. We have our own setups to trade, and please follow that and understand how it basically occurs, so that you can, take some or the other thing from each and every single one of them and develop your own system. So basically, even just before you do price action analysis, doesn't mean price action analysis is the same for all. I will be making another video why price action is different for each and every single person according to me. So up until next time, you could just make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you get the notifications for the next video. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading, guys. Bye bye.